They told her joint pain was just aging, but she discovered something else. What if your relief isn't in a pill? It's in your pantry. In today's episode, we're breaking down 5 natural remedies for arthritis that are not only safe, but actually effective. Whether you've got osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or another type, these methods can bring real relief. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Number 1 remedy: turmeric, the golden spice. Let's start with one of the most researched natural remedies: turmeric. This bright yellow spice, commonly used in Indian cooking, contains an active compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. In a 2016 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers found that curcumin was as effective as ibuprofen in reducing arthritis pain, but with fewer side effects. How it works? Curcumin blocks inflammatory pathways in the body. It reduces levels of inflammatory cytokines, which play a big role in joint damage. How to use it? Look for a curcumin supplement with black pepper extract, piperine, which boosts absorption. Or try adding 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to your food daily, smoothies, soups, or golden milk. Dosage: 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin per day is typically safe for most adults. Always check with your doctor if you're on blood thinners or other medications. Turmeric can interact with some drugs. Number 2 remedy: omega-3 fatty acids from sea to joints. Next on our list, omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats found in fish oil, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. These fatty acids, especially eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, have been shown to reduce joint inflammation and stiffness, particularly in rheumatoid arthritis. In a meta-analysis published in Rheumatology, people taking omega-3 supplements had a significant reduction in joint pain and morning stiffness compared to those taking a placebo. How it works? Omega-3s reduce the body's production of inflammatory chemicals. They may also lower the need for nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, in arthritis patients. How to use it? Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Supplements: 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of fish oil daily with high EPA and DHA content. Vegetarian? Go for algae oil or ground flaxseed. Quick tip: look for fish oil brands that are molecularly distilled and third-party tested to avoid contaminants like mercury. Number 3 remedy: movement therapy, yoga, and stretching. Let's talk about something that doesn't come in a pill or bottle: movement. It might sound counterintuitive, especially when your joints are sore, but gentle movement can actually reduce pain. One of the best natural therapies. Yoga. Why yoga helps? Yoga improves joint flexibility and range of motion. It strengthens the muscles around joints. Yoga lowers stress. Yes, stress makes inflammation worse. A study from Johns Hopkins University found that arthritis patients who practiced yoga for 8 weeks had better physical function and mood, and reported less pain. Best poses for arthritis. Cat-cow stretch. Child's pose. Warrior 1 and 2 with modifications. Seated spinal twist. Other movement tips: try Tai Chi, water aerobics, or walking. All are gentle but effective. Start slow. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Consider working with a certified yoga therapist or physical therapist trained in arthritis care to avoid strain. Number 4 remedy: anti-inflammatory diet, eat to fight pain. Ever heard the phrase, food is medicine? For arthritis, that couldn't be more true. In fact, certain foods can either fuel inflammation or fight it. Let's look at what you should be eating more of and what to limit. Foods that help: berries, especially cherries and blueberries, rich in anthocyanins. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, quinoa. Olive oil a staple in the Mediterranean diet. Nuts, almonds, walnuts. One standout: tart cherry juice. A study in osteoarthritis and cartilage showed that participants who drank cherry juice had reduced pain and swelling in their knees. Foods to avoid: sugary sodas and snacks. Fried foods. Refined carbs, white bread, pasta. Excessive red meat. Processed foods with additives. Quick tip: make 80% of your diet anti-inflammatory and leave 20% for indulgences. Progress, not perfection. Number 5 remedy: Epsom salt soaks and topical remedies. Finally, let's not forget external remedies because sometimes you just want quick relief at the end of a long day. That's where Epsom salt baths and topical creams come in. Epsom salt soaks, rich in magnesium sulfate, helps reduce swelling and muscle tension. Soothes tired joints. How to use: add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times per week as needed. You can also try warm compresses, especially in the morning, or cold packs when inflammation flares up. Quick recap. So there you have it, 5 natural remedies that actually work for arthritis. Let's quickly recap. Number 1. Turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory spice. Number 2. Omega-3s, reduce pain and joint stiffness. Number 3. Gentle movement like yoga or Tai Chi to keep you mobile. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory diet, because what you eat matters. Number 5. Topical relief, Epsom salt soaks, and natural creams. Remember, no remedy is a one-size-fits-all. It may take some trial and error. But these 5 tools are safe, science-backed, and worth trying, especially as part of a comprehensive arthritis management plan. Before you go, get this right: natural doesn't mean do it alone. Always loop in your healthcare provider before starting new supplements or changing your routine, especially if you're taking medications. The goal isn't to throw away prescriptions, but to enhance your overall health. Healing is a journey, not a sprint. With the right tools, support, and mindset, you can take control of your arthritis naturally. You've seen the best of natural remedies, but what if I told you one simple 10-minute stretch could transform someone's mobility in just 30 days? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell to get notified for our next video. 62-year-old transformation, and learn how you can do it too. Until next time, stay well, stay strong, and stay moving.